Welcome, in front of me I have Suunto 7 and I'm gonna show you how to customize hardware buttons on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, double tap on the screen or press the left upper button. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel and select the settings icon to open the settings, of course. And settings, let's scroll down and tap on personalization. Here, scroll down and select option called Customize Hardware Buttons. And right here, we can tap on center right, for example. And here we can assign the app for this button, the center right. For example, let's select settings. And for the bottom right, let's select, for example, flashlight. Okay, now let's go back to the watch face, press the right center button. It's gonna open the settings, and when we press the right bottom button on the watch face, it's gonna open the flashlight. And you can assign any app from the list before to these buttons. And that's how you customize the hardware buttons on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.